You are here because you want to cut through the noise and find the perfect AI tool in 10 seconds flat. And I am going to show you exactly how to do that right now. But first, you have to break a bad habit. You need to stop using Google to find AI. Everyone thinks a quick Google search is the best way to find software, but it actually just feeds you outdated articles and paid ads. Instead, there is one hidden directory that every beginner should be using. When you are just starting out, trying new software can feel intimidating. You just want to get a simple task done without downloading confusing, expensive programs. This website solves that. It updates every single day, organizing thousands of tools so you don't have to. Let's do a live test. And pay close attention to step 4, because that is the secret filter that saves you from accidentally paying for a hidden subscription. Whether you are sitting at your desktop or looking this up on your phone, the layout is exactly the same and completely free to use. Here is how to find what you need. Step 1. Go to the main search bar at the very top of the page. Step 2. Type exactly what you want to do in everyday English, like create a logo or write an email. Step 3. Hit enter to see your customized list. Step 4. Look at the filter options on the side and click free. In less than 10 seconds, we weeded out all the complicated stuff and found a free tool ready to use right now. Here is a quick trick that saves a ton of time. When you find a tool you like, just click the little save icon right next to it. You can build your own personal toolkit right here on the website, keeping your favorite apps just one click away. Now that you know how to find any tool in seconds, the next step is knowing which ones are actually worth your time, including one tool that will completely automate your daily workflow for free. Click the video on your screen right now to see the top 5 free AI tools for beginners to start using today. I'll see you over there.